Hello guys, I have been looking for waterproof USB contacts for a long time. Just found it. Scanstrut, UK, has this one made for boats, motorcycles and camper van, anything you like to be waterproof. This is an excellent dual USB. It has one USB-A and one USB-C, and both are fast charging. Let's have a look at it. This is how the paper looks like. Oh, a lot of lights, but okay. And this is the unit. It has a very good locking mechanism. You press it down and simultaneously push it open. And inside you will find a paper bag. It contains one screw, which is made for this hole. Look at this, guys. And a very thick, nice rubber gasket, rubber sealing at the bottom for the cables, and the same as the top. So when they squeeze this together, this will be IP rated to X6. We'll do a test about that. We will do a test to show if this is really IPX6, because I have a machine that can do that. But first of all, let's see how much amperage can you get out of these two sockets. That is very interesting. When you connect the plus and the minus on the bottom here, you get a red LED inside here. And the lid, you can see there's a spring, so this will be kept open. The screw that was included looks like to be an acid-proof one, so this will not rust. Let's test them with my phone. Okay, let's test. This is the top one, which is the USB-C. This cable has a built-in wattmeter. Let's see how that goes. $26 watt. That is amazing. Fantastic. 26 watt. And let's test the other one, which is the bottom one, which is the USB-A. And let's see what that one says. Okay, that one stops on 15 watts. So the USB is a power delivery port, which is capable of delivering a lot of power. Let's check what the meter says. This was the USB-C port. Ready. Yes, all the way up to 40 watts. That is exceptionally well. Very nice. Let's see if we can make the USB-A port work as well. No, it did not like the USB-A. Maybe we should do another cable. No, then we need another cable. Included in the kit there is this very nice foam gasket, which is supposed to seal the backside of it against this one. I will now try the IP66 test. The gasket is not so important in this case, because we are going to test only the IP for this USB unit, not the backside of it. So I will use the gasket, but I will not remove the tape, protection for the tape. Let's see how that goes. Really easy to do, as long as you have access to the backside, which you need to connect it. You just screw it. I feel the gasket is compressing around here. Okay, a little dark. How about some light? Yes. And then the screw that was included, which are here somewhere, supposed to lock it so you can't push it sideways. Okay, there you have it. Screws in place. Everything is stock solid, and the spring-loaded mechanism, fantastic. We will test it Not with the USB cables, of course, because they don't stand water at the plugs. So we'll just use two ordinary cables to simulate the USB like this. This should be good. Yes, sticks good, very good. Then to the IPX6. Okay, we are at the IPX6 tester. 3 minutes from a big hose. Let's do it. Okay, there we go. That was 3 minutes with IPX6. Let's open the USB and see if it's still waterproof. Okay, here we have it. Let me dry it a little on the outside first. Oh, the cable is going to fall out. But are there some water inside? No, nothing. Excellent. Absolutely amazing. This, oh, sorry, focus. This is an amazing piece of kit. Absolutely no water inside whatsoever. Fantastic. Okay, that was the IP test. Now we are back in the workshop and this was just proven excellent. Fantastic piece of kit, this one. Really looking forward to do this in my motorcycle. I forgot to show you this. This is an excellent manual. Yeah, in a lot of languages, but it's very easy to do. So just need a 29mm hole. In the test box I did a 30mm, that was no problem. A little slack, so 29 is the perfect size. But I also got this one. This one is a similar one. This IP is IP. This one has IP grade X4. This one has an IP rating of X4. You can see it down there, IPX4. X4 is not the same as X6, of course. X4 is the... Let's do the IPX4 test for this one as well. This one has a slightly bigger hole, 32mm. So you need to enlarge it. And there we go. Let's test it. Okay, back in the IP test room. The USB is mounted over there, so now we shall test IPX4. Okay, that was the IPX4. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Let's just dry it on the outside. Let's see if this is okay. Oh, here we go. Something in the way here. So, okay, dry on the outside. Let's see how does it look on the inside. Absolutely dry. Only moisture on the outside. That is fantastic. Oh, with light. You can see the moist is on the outside and here as well, but nothing on the USB contacts. Fantastic. Test passed. Okay, then we have confirmed it. This is a true IPX4 USB charging contact. Simply amazing. Must be the best on the market. It is built the same way. It has the same gasket as the other one has. Same screwing system. Long unit indicates fast charger. If you have a short one, then it's usually a slow charger. This one has a dual USB-C, and it is glued, so it's no water passing these two USBs. Heavy, thick gasket inside the lid. Very strong spring. Much stronger on this one than it was on this. This is not needed, of course, since you have this locking mechanism. This is only needed to keep the lid open. So this one is also closing, very secure. We need to test this one as well. There are some data over here. But this one is also supposed to be a fast charger, so let's test it with my phone and this very nice USB tester. I will provide links for everything down below so you can check that out. The plug is marked very clearly with a minus and a plus. Hopefully you can see this. It's hard for me to see it in the screen, but yeah. So minus black and red for the positive. And here we go. This also has a nice LED inside. Let's see if you can see that. If I turn off this light. Oh, no, I can see it on the monitor. There it is. Yeah. My phone, and this one has only USB-Cs, so let's see how that goes. Maybe we should put it a little bit lower. Here we go. And ooh, look at that. $26, $27, $28. That is amazing. That is really amazing. Let's see if the other port is the same. Yes, 27, 28. Amazing. Simply amazing. Let's see what the power meter says. Oh, the same as the other one, 40 watt. Fantastic. Fantastic. Let's do the other one. Yes, it's the same. 2 times 40 watt at the maximum. Simply amazing, guys, huh? This is a nice piece of kit. It's just fantastic. And it says over here it's up to 60 watt. So if you have 24 volt power, you will get 60 watt out of it, as I understand from the other one. Let's test it with 24 volt just to see. Okay, let's put the power supply to 24.5 volt and see how that goes. That should be interesting. Let me connect it to the power supply. There we go. And this is how it looks. 24 volt input. Oh, there it happens. Look at this. Amazingly nice, huh? Fantastic. And one more time, let's do it by 12 volt. Okay, now we have 14 12.5 volt input. Let's see what it says. Yeah, lost the 20 volt option. But still very nice. Very nice indeed. Okay, there is the voltage, 14.5. That's it for this test, guys. This one was excellent for the IP66. Oh, still wet on the outside. But it's dry on the inside, which is the important one. Let's see. Yeah. Really love this one. Fantastic. Nice to finally have found someone. And then they have this one as well, which has a dual USB-C and fast charging. Up to 24 volts. 20 volt charging power. 60 watts. And I guess this one is the same, or is it not? Yes, it's 24 volt. There you have it, guys. Powerful Rokk Charger Pro and the excellent Flip Pro Max from Scanstrut. Both excellent. One USB-A, USB-C, dual USB-C, both fast chargers. Excellent products. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next one.